How to uninstall YouTube TV. Uninstalling YouTube TV varies based on the device you are using. Follow the specific instructions below for your iOS, Android, streaming device, or web browser. 1. How to uninstall YouTube TV on iOS, iPhone/iPad. Step 1. Find the YouTube TV app. Locate the YouTube TV app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Step 2. Press and hold the app icon. Press and hold the YouTube TV app icon until a menu appears or the icon starts shaking. Step 3. Tap Remove App. Select Remove App from the pop-up menu. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Tap Delete App and confirm by selecting Delete again. 2. How to uninstall YouTube TV on Android. Step 1. Open the app drawer. Swipe up on the home screen to open the app drawer. Step 2. Find YouTube TV. Scroll through the app drawer to locate the YouTube TV app. Step 3. Press and hold the app icon. Long press the YouTube TV icon until a menu appears. Step 4. Tap Uninstall. Select Uninstall from the menu and confirm when prompted. 3. How to uninstall YouTube TV on streaming devices. Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV. Step 1. Go to Settings. Open Settings from the home screen of your streaming device. Step 2. Access apps or channels. Navigate to Apps, manage installed applications or channels, depending on your device. Step 3. Select YouTube TV. Find YouTube TV in the list of installed apps or channels. Step 4. Remove or uninstall. Choose Remove Channel or Uninstall, then confirm the action. 4. How to uninstall YouTube TV from a web browser. Step 1. Open Browser Settings. Launch your web browser and click on the Settings icon. Step 2. Manage Extensions. Navigate to Extensions or Manage Add-ons, depending on your browser. Step 3. Find YouTube TV extension. Locate the YouTube TV extension if installed. Step 4. Remove or disable. Click Remove or Disable next to the extension to uninstall it from your browser. By following these steps, you can easily uninstall YouTube TV from your preferred device.